Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the reopening of the Mount Vernon Rec Center.
We are celebrating the reopening of Mount Vernon Rec Center after coming off of a big 2.5-year renovation.
3, 2, 1.
One of the biggest changes and new features is our expanding fitness center. We're so thrilled to have one of the best fitness centers in the entire country right here in the Mount Vernon district of Fairfax County. We also have the first indoor climbing wall in Fairfax County Park System, a second ice rink, and a renovated swimming pool.
There were times we didn't think this day would get here with all the work and challenges that this faced, but we have overcome every single one of those challenges to get to this point in time, and that's what the county does. The county works to solve the problems that come before us and deliver first-class, first-rate services to the residents of Fairfax County, and we are here doing that today.
One of the things that people don't really know that I want to highlight is the fact that this is not only a local facility for everybody who lives here, but it's also a regional facility. It's our only facility that has sheets of ice, and so when you are a rec center member, you can come to any rec centers. And so this rec center is going to bring people from all across the county here to use the ice rink, to use the pool, to use the really wonderful facilities.
And I think the most important thing we can all take from this is health and fitness matter. If you really care about your kids and your grandkids, you're going to work hard to eat right, you're going to work hard to exercise, and there's frankly no more important medical advice than anybody can give you than to do those two things. And this is the place to do it.
I would encourage people to come to Mount Vernon Rec Center because of all the different activities and amenities that we have to offer. From the climbing wall to the swimming pool to our ice rinks, there's something for everybody to enjoy.